Hello guys and welcome back to another post-market analysis of Bank Nifty and Nifty. So let's start straight away from our daily time frame, and we are in the Bank Nifty's chart, and here we have the daily time frame of the Bank Nifty. So in our earlier videos, in the last couple of days videos, we are discussing about this trend line. Okay, so this trend line is acting as a support. Okay, and it got confirmed with this candle and this pattern as a whole. Okay, so this pattern is called a bullish engulfing pattern, where it's a reversal sign that's coming at a very important location, that's at this trend line. And this trend line is valid now because you have already seen a swing reactions three times touching this line. So it is a valid trend line. So now that is spoken, that's said in our weekly analysis video, and also in our video where we had this candle, April 19th candle. Okay, so that is our Friday's candle. And just like we have discussed in our pre-market analysis and in our yesterday's video, we were concerned about this gap between these two. And as you can see, there is this bullish move already, and there is this gap which we discussed about earlier. And exactly, see, the upside momentum is clear, okay, but the candle is red because of this zone. So now you have to wait and watch whether it is going to come down from there further down, or it's going to cross this zone. Okay, we cannot take any decisions right now because it is at your resistance level. We're talking about Bank Nifty on a daily time frame. And but this momentum is clear. Okay, as you can see, the moment is because of this engulfing pattern. As we have discussed earlier in our earlier video, the upside gap up is seen today. It's definitely seen today, and it's on the way towards the upper side. But we have seen a red candle at this zone, so we need to wait and watch how it's going to be. And anytime if you see a sign, whether towards the upper side or towards the downside, it doesn't mean that market is going to straight away make one very big candle like this in green color, or the same in red in the opposite direction. No, that cannot happen. Market always tend to look for the right levels. Okay, it'll continuously look for the right levels, and then it moves. That is what is happening right now. Okay, we'll discuss about the price action of Bank Nifty today in a while after watching the Nifty's chart. So right now, what this is telling is, it is not telling us that the upside momentum is over, and this is not any stronger sign which puts us towards the downside. But all you have to notice is, see, until this level breaks towards the downside, you cannot say that the momentum is going to go down. And the good thing is, if you notice it on a wider picture, starting from there, we have made a high on the Bank Nifty with a small correction, and then we have seen a breakout from this previous swing high. And from there, again, you have seen a pullback almost close to this level, and then we have seen a rise breaking through this previous swing high, and it has gone all the way. This was our earlier all-time high. After that, it has broken that level as well. But from there, we are in a correction phase, and that correction phase has given us some hope after this engulfing pattern there, and we are on the way towards the upper side. We cannot continuously predict or expect every candle as a every candle by candle, but we can see, it's important to notice the wider picture. Okay, it is very important to notice the wider picture and understand what's happening in the market. That's important. Okay, so what we have here is this: we had the momentum towards the upper side, and we have seen a correction, and from there we are rising now towards the upper side. We are just at this small resistance level where we have to for that we have to wait and see how the market is, how the Bank Nifty is going to react for this area. For that, we need to wait and watch the price action of the Bank Nifty tomorrow. as well. As of now, there is no alarming sign apart from this red candle at this location. So even if it is coming down from there, you know where the support is. This is the support area. Okay, this trend line itself is going to act as a support area, and if it is going towards the upper side, you know what's your resistance area is. It's already marked here. Apart from that, this is going, your all-time high of Bank Nifty is going to be a great is going to act as a great resistance. Keep that in mind as well. Now we are done with the Bank Nifty chart. Let's quickly see how Nifty is looking on a daily time frame. Here we have the Nifty, and here also you have seen in our earlier videos we have marked this line. And in spite of this gap down opening, this candle itself is a green candle that got closed into this. That means that it is acting as a support for some to some degree. And now we have this is a piercing pattern, which is also a reversal pattern, reversal sign. And also here we have this gap. See, remember, any gap that you see between these candles, between, especially between these, okay, low to high gaps, okay, and in some cases body to body gaps as well, all these gaps are going to act as resistance if the market is coming from the bottom, and all these gaps are going to act as a support if it is coming from the upper side. Now that we have this, just like we have discussed, it is a moderately bullish sign. And here we have this candle. This is looking a little troublesome than the Bank Nifty because it is absolutely a doji. We can say that Nifty has opened and closed almost at the same location. It has opened at 22,336 and it has closed at 22,336. There was only 0.9020, oh, sorry, 40 difference. That is not even 1 point difference in the Nifty. It's only around 40 points difference approximately. So that's the, sorry, 20 points approximately. Yeah, it's point it's 0.50. Okay, it's under 1 point, so it's very marginal difference. Okay, let me calculate why I'm getting confused here. So here we have a Bank Nifty opened at 22,336, and we have that closed at 22,336 at the same number, but there is a decimal number uh, after the number, which is 90 at Nifty. It has opened 0.90, and it has closed at 0.40. So that is only decimal number difference, which is 0.50. So we are at this level again in the Nifty, at the same level, at the same resistance level. We need to wait and watch how this is going, whether it is going to cross that area or not. If it's coming down, we need to see how it's getting reacting there. But it is giving us, it is leaving us more caution, more worry about the in the Nifty because of this doji candle. And that is how things are looking. Even here, on a wider picture, you can see that market has gone up, has taken a proper, has seen proper pullbacks. This is the only place we have seen a breakout after from this point, but it quickly rise from there and has shown a strength till this point, by breaking this level. And now we are at this level. It has taken a small support, and now it's struggling to cross this gap from between these two candles. So that is why the picture of the Bank Nifty. And let's now quickly see how Nifty and Bank Nifty are on today's price charts on an intraday time frame, that is our 5 minute time frame. And here we have our Nifty's chart on a 5 minute time frame. Okay, so it's very clear that the move, okay, the clear move is this one. Okay, after this correction, after this correction, okay, what you should do is you should have done, based on this and based on this, you should have drawn this tentative trend line where you have seen a third time Nifty reacting to this trend line at that level. And in turn, it has left us a very good clue in the form of a hammer candle at 2:30 p.m. So from that was a very beautiful sign. And it's having a beautiful risk versus reward ratio as well. That becomes your first target, and your risk versus reward ratio is 1.31, and it has made this moment very beautifully. And after that, if you are trailing, then this could have been your second target. And at this stage, your risk versus reward ratio is standing at 1.84, and from there it continued, okay, till this point, today's opening, where now your risk versus reward ratio is 3.91 if you're trailing it. So what is clear here is this: after 2:30 candle, this left us a very beautiful sign for this momentum. That's about the Nifty. And let's look at the Bank Nifty's chart and see uh, which was the best trade in this chart. So here, but just by looking at it, you can say that, okay, these, based on these 2 points, let me circle that. So based on that point and based on this point, we can draw a trend line, tentative trend line like this one, right? And you can see here it has shown little uh, a breakout sign, but it has quickly seen another green candle, so which means that it has seen reaction. Always remember that any of these lines uh, that you draw on the chart are not going to act as lines. Instead, they are going to act as zones. So it has come into this, and it has quickly it got up from there. And in Bank Nifty we have, sorry, in Nifty we have seen 230 candle as a hammer, but here we are seeing it as a bullish engulfing pattern, which is even more stronger than the hammer candle. And here your targets are very clear. This becomes your first target, and after that, if you are trailing, your second target is all the way till there, all the way till there. But you don't have enough time today to make that big momentum, because you are already sitting at 230. So these are the two trades that could have worked in your favor if you are trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty on a 5 minute time frame according to this price action. I hope you have learned something from today's video and understood what's the wider picture of Bank Nifty and Nifty happening on a daily time frame. And see you in our next pre-market or post-market analysis video. Until then, happy trading. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you like the video, let us know through the like button. Thank you so much.